shampoo slime. That is Sunsilk shampoo slime. So let's make with the Sunsilk shampoo slime. So let's get started. First, let's take a shampoo packet and cut it. Now let's put the other shampoo packet. Wow! Now let's add some water. Lava. Let's mix it. Now let's add some more water. Look at that. The smell is so good. Let's add some glue. I am taking common ice mint glue. So let's pour it. I don't know how it is coming. Wow! It is blue in color. Wow! I love it. Now let's mix it. It is looking like a sabza seeds. With this, let's add some baking soda. Let's add the baking soda. And now let's mix it. Now let's add the activator. It is coming a little bit. I think I have to add some more activator. Wow, the bubbles are coming. Bubbly, bubbly. So bubbly. I think I have to add some more activator. Okay. Oh no, the bowl is only going to mix. I think I have to add more activator. This time it will come, I think. Ooh. It is wow. No. Let's add the black color. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.